If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature on your Payoneer account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated accordingly. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to manage. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage various features. Step 3. Find the Auto Renewal option. In the Settings menu, look for the section related to billing or subscription. This is where you will find the Auto Renewal settings for your account. Step 4. Disable Auto Renewal. Locate the Auto Renewal feature and toggle it off or uncheck the box next to it. This action will prevent your subscription from automatically renewing at the end of the term. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling Auto Renewal, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal feature on your Payoneer account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Payoneer customer support.